So hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That is me. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome, hello, and if you're returning, welcome back. So as you can see by the thumbnail, we do have the Ipsy Open Studio, but guys, it is so different. Yes, look what it says. Oh my gosh. So if you want to see what this is all about, how I have it here, and my thoughts about it, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, I am super excited. Yes. So this is my Ipsy Open Studio. I am so grateful to Ipsy for putting me on their program that they have. And this is very different. And from what I understand, this is the first time that they've ever sent Ipsy Glam Bag X subscription. Now guys, I don't get this. This month is with Alicia Keys, and I am very, very excited, like very excited. This is gifted to me from Ipsy. Before I jump into this, hi, my name is Stephanie. I am pretty much, I guess, the host around here. All that means, guys, is really that I go through the box, I show you the product, try them out, I'll just give you a complete rundown when I can. This is a beauty channel. We do all things beauty, but not limited to just makeup. We have skincare, hair care, unboxings, tutorials, try-ons, new releases when they come out, and I snag them. We do a lot on this channel, but everything is done, I want to say, in a real life way, because I'm just me. I don't pretend to be something I'm not. I don't come on here acting like I got my stuff all together, because yeah, I so don't. I try to create an eye look, and sometimes it comes out good, and other times not so much. Practice, practice, practice makes better, because perfect is only what you think it is, okay? So just remember that. Don't go by anybody else's standards. Just trust yourself. That's what I do, so that's what I want to convey to you guys. If you can remember to rate the video, that would really help me out. And keep your bell on, guys, because it's super important just for giveaways and announcements and uploading and all that good stuff, okay? We do have, oh my gosh, Ipsy Glam Bag X for the month of August. So let's go ahead and jump on into it. If you don't know about the subscription, it is a quarterly subscription. Everything will be listed down below. So if you do want to sign up for this, the link will be down there. I will say it's a little different than what I expected. Now, this is my first time experiencing anything to do with the Alicia Keys skincare. I do love her music, I must say, and it brings me back. It really does. So the first thing you see here is this is the Pericone Md. This is the Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser. Okay, there you have it. Non-drying formula cleanses without stripping skin of natural oils, visibly improving skin clarity, texture, and tone. Okay, guys, this is a huge bottle. 6 fluid ounces. Skin is left looking radiant and feeling refreshed. Now, I will tell you that I have used this. It has a flip up top, okay? Now, you can see for yourself. Yeah, big old mess there. When don't I make a mess? You don't need a lot of this. The lather is very rich. Now, I got a little scared at first because it's been my experience that sometimes like foamy, thick, rich lather will dry me out. But I will say with this, no. My face was not tight. You know, when you're done and you rinse it off, you kind of want to go like that to make your face like loosen up. This did not do that. I do recommend rinsing it very good. Like, you don't want to just like splash a little bit of water. No, you really want to go in there and rinse it off. It doesn't smell like anything really. There is just a very hint of, I want to say, like the ingredients, you know. It does come out with like a little bit of a yellowish tint to it. Very slight. My skin felt very fresh. This is a hit. Definitely like this. Now the price will be around here somewhere, okay? The key ingredient is vitamin C ester. It's supercharged brightening and smoothing. Okay, so it not only brightens, but it does like help to smooth any kind of texture you have. Yeah, and tone. It's very good. I think out of everything in the box, I will probably get the least amount of use from this. This is her brand, okay? If you're not aware, she did curate this box. It's very bougie. There's the box. That's what it looks like. It's very sleek. I mean, you know, to the point, very nice. I love the color. It's a very dark blue. This is, and I will tell you about it, it is Keys Soul Care Be Luminous Exfoliator, okay? I had something like this before, guys, kind of similar, and I wasn't a fan. This kind of reminds me, it does have a seal. When you pop it off, okay, I'm going to pull it up. It has a hole in there, and guys, I will show you, at least I'm going to try and do it. I'm going to pour just a smidge out. Okay, this is what it looks like. It is that powder granule Okay, so you mix it with water and then you go in over your face. I'm not crazy about little granules rubbing against my skin. I tend to get a little irritated with that. Now, I don't see myself reaching for this for that reason. Now, I will read about it, okay? It says, developed in partners with a board-certified dermatologist, this water-activated powder exfoliator formulated with hojita powder, mung beans, oats, and lactic acid transforms into a gentle creamy foam to gently buff away dullness and renew your true radiant skin. This is just personal preference, so if you like something that, you know, gets in there and you can maybe feel a little bit that it's working as you're using it, then I would say go for it. It's, like I said, board certified. I mean, you know, the dermatologists are on there. Now, here's something about her brand. I do like this. She has little quotes, inspirational things all over her packaging, okay? For instance, this one says, you are layered, complex, and divine, okay? And that's what it says right here, okay? There's a little saying. And that is what the front looks like again. Now, this is probably the thing I won't use the most. I'm happy to get it just the same, you know? Now, I took it from the bottom, so I don't know. Thing with me with breaking seals, I don't know what it's about. But anyway, this is the Skin Transformation Cream. Now, I will show you. I did use this. Fingerprints all over it. Wow. It's nicely weighted, and it's a very pretty color. I do like it. This is what I mean about the little sayings, guys. I'm going to read about it, but here's what the bottle looks like. There's the front, all right? And it does say here, it says Skin Transformation Cream, Soul Care. It says, I welcome all circumstance as catalysts for change, okay? Think about that. I love when these brands have these things that kind of make you think a little bit, and then when you break it down, it's like, oh, keeps you thinking. And I like to get my brain going, you know, I really do. Okay, I will open it up for you, and then I will read about it, okay? And again, the prices will be up here. It's almost got like a gel consistency, but not. There's what it looks like there, okay? I don't know if, can you see that? It's more opaque than a gel, if that makes any sense. Super moisturizing. These products are not scented, like per se, not to me anyway. When you rub it in, it goes right into the skin. It's just very hydrated, and I like that. Your girl needs all the moisture she can get, and I'm very happy to get this. It says, developed in partnership with a board-certified dermatologist. Now, I've seen this across the board. This potent yet gentle, clean formula hydrates and nourishes for plumped and radiant-looking skin. Bakuchiol, which is a very good ingredient. Malachite, which is known as the stone of transformation. Ceramides and hyaluronic acid help to renew skin. Can use it at night. I did. So again, I will leave the price up here. So this is a win. I will continue to use this until it's gone. Now, let's pop over to here for a second. Okay, I did try this. Now I'm going to put it on here, and I'm going to tell you when it starts to burn, so you have a warning. It's a gloss, but it almost is like a gel. Now, I can smell the peppermint in it, or whatever it is. It's like a minty smell. When you put it on, it's not like super goopy thick. Now, I've smoothed it out all over my lips. Now, it doesn't burn right away. That's the thing. Like, I was like, well, this doesn't burn. What are they talking about? What? And then it takes a few seconds. It's a lip injector. It's the Too Faced instant and long-term lip plumper. So they're saying over time, you will continue, your lips will stay plump. Now, okay. I can feel it start to tingle. It's not terrible. You may experience a slight to intense tingle. Apply only within perimeter of lips. If applied to skin, a temporary redness may occur. Let me explain something, guys. The way these things work in general, there's something in there. The burn is kind of like an irritation, albeit a small one, and that is what kind of like plumps your lips. It's not that bad. You can feel it. I've had it on for maybe almost coming up on 2 minutes. Do you see a big difference? I mean, my bottom lip, yes. The thing I noticed with this is when you put it on over lipstick, it kind of eats away the lipstick a little bit. Do not go above your lip line. You very well could get some like red irritation above or outside of your lip color. I'm glad I tried it because, you know, everybody talking about it. So I'm happy that I got it in the box, you know. Now, this is something that I did use today, okay? This is from Bobbi Brown. This is Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick. And mine is in the shade Vanilla 1. Now, this is the color right there. This is more of a matte shade. There's no sparkle, there's no shimmer. I use this as a eye primer. It's very easy to use. You just swipe it over. You can blend it out. You can use it just on your lid. You can use it in your crease. However you decide to use it, it's up to you. I, again, use it as an eye primer. Kind of gave it an even keel, you know? I will definitely get use of it. We are going to talk about what I have on my eyes. Here's the packaging. Now, I looked at this and I'm like, is this Alicia Keys' brand? And then I saw Lawless is the brand, and it is the Baby One. Talc free. There's 2 color stories, okay? Now, you're going to say, well, that shadow looks awfully the same. But I'm going to swatch it out for you. If you look at it, you have a more tanny color story here and a more, I want to say, like plum mauve type on the bottom. Now, this is a darker shimmer than this one, okay? I do have this top row on my eyes. I will say that I had no issues whatsoever with these mattes. I cannot believe how they just kind of were like, here, I got that. You know, don't worry. Just lay down the color and we'll do the rest. Because it was that easy. I'm not kidding, guys. It was that easy. So what I did was I went with this one, the lightest shade, in my crease, and I deepened it up with this one right here. I didn't even use this darker one. I didn't have to. What you could do is you could absolutely take this shade and do once all over the lid, buff it out a little bit so there's no harsh lines, and pop a little shimmer on your lid and call it good, okay? That would be a great daytime look. I just went a little further with a little depth in my corner, okay, out here, and I put this on as a shimmer. Now, I'm gonna put the picture of my swatches that I did here. Guys, the formula is very good. It's very good. It's very rich. I like this palette. I'm not a neutral crazy person, but you do have plums. Now, these kind of look the same, right? No, they are, I mean, maybe on camera you can tell the difference, but when looking at them, I was like, they kind of look the same, but they're not. This is a very dark chocolate brown, and this, I want to say, is more of like a semi-dark chocolate. You know, it's got that little hint of like red or raspberry in it. And it's very subtle, but you can see the difference when you put it on. This is a palette that I would take with me everywhere. The shadows, they blend themselves. It's amazing, one on top of the other. I did layer to see if there's any patchiness. Now, I always get that little thing going on here. That's my fault. Never the shadows happens with the best of the best. I like the palette. I'm going to be reaching for this palette a lot, especially with the special shadows that I have, because these mattes are so easy to use. Like, they really are. You know, guys, I'm hard on eyeshadow palettes because I have so many. But that one shocked me, and I was pleasantly surprised. Moving along. Now, there are 2 things left in the box, and I left these for last because, you know, with the Ipsy X, you are sometimes going to get maybe perhaps lifestyle products, right? Something we don't see a lot. I did use this, okay? I used it on a mask that I did, and you will see that over on Instagram. I will pop that up. Now, this is something that I'm like, well, did I really need this? And the answer is probably no, but we get it in a subscription box, guys. It is the Obsidian Facial Roller, okay? Now, I have a Jade Facial Roller. I have a Guerchois. Do I use them? No. Not like they should be. I do use my Jade Roller for my masks, and that is what I did with this. And I also went under my eyes with it. Again, you will see that on Instagram on like a short, or maybe here on YouTube, I'm not sure, probably both. And on this one, like I said, it always has an inspirational quote in 2 languages. It says, "You are strong, capable, and unstoppable." I like that. That's just an extra added thing. It's not necessary, but she does it anyway. Sometimes we feel like crap about ourselves. Like, manifest it to the universe, say things, you know, and be positive. That's why I try and preach on this channel. So that kind of ties in with it. You know, affirmations are good. All right, so this is what it looks like, okay? All right, now, I will tell you that this is probably one of the bougiest rollers I've ever seen. I'm going to read about it now. It says, treat yourself to a gentle, stimulating massage with our Obsidian Roller. Volcanic glass created from quickly cooled lava, okay? So this is essentially lava, oops, that you do not want to break because there's a lot of weight to it. It seems like it's very well put together. I mean, I did use it. You can kind of see, well, it's clear. You see that like dull part there? Now, I did run it under my eyes just to see. I'm always puffy in the morning, so I said, well, let me try this. It says, the roller will feel cool to the touch, helping skin feel revitalized while improving skin tone and texture. For an enhanced experience, use with the skin transforming cream to help absorb it easily. Starting on the neck, gently roll upward and outward in smooth strokes, continuing to make your way to the face with rolling motions across your chin, cheeks, eye area, like this, and forehead, okay? Use as desired. For more invigorating experience, place the roller in the refrigerator, which is exactly what I did. I did roll my face out with it. Did I see a ton of difference? No. I've used it 3 times. I did use it once over a mask to help like push in the serum, which, you know, my jade roller does the same thing. Did I need this? Probably not. Am I happy to have it? Yeah. Will I use it? Probably. A ton? Probably not. And that's just me being honest. But I mean, it's always good to get it in a subscription box. Just saying, you know. This, I was very intrigued. I was like, wait, what? Okay. If y'all saw my collab video, you know that I got one of these, kind of, all right? And I needed one because I sleep with my eyeball scraping my pillow. I wake up with irritated eyes, dry eyes, but not anymore, because thanks to Renee with Beauty with Renee, shout out to her, for sending me the mask, the pillowcase, and the hair ties. I've used all of it, and it's very nice. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, what is that? This is the word Woke Cool Stem Eye Mask. It says intense hydration, reduces dark circles, and puffy eyes. Well, that is me. Hello. Listen, guys, I am a connoisseur of masks. I use them every single time I put my makeup on. This is what this is, okay? It does say Cool Stem Eye Mask, adjustable length strap. That's this. What you want to do is, and I did use this, I put it back together. It does fit like this, okay, around your eyes. Now, do I have one? Yes, but it's always good to have another one because, like, what if I'm washing one? Sometimes I throw my stuff in the laundry and I don't get to it for a day or two. You know what I mean? Sometimes longer. Like, who am I kidding? But this is different because, look, it has these little things, okay? Now listen. Hot or cold gel, reusable heating, cooling gels. You can heat it or cool it, okay? Guys, who was with me way back in the day? I showed you that mask that had those little beads in it, and I said, best $4 or $3 or whatever it was that I spent at TJ Maxx. I bought a whole bunch of them. I think I even sent a couple of them out in giveaways. Well, this is what these are like, but a little different, but the same concept. How cool is that? You take them, you do what you're gonna do, either hot, cold. Stick them in the little things like this. Okay, they have that little slot there. You put them down in there, and then you put these against your eyes. You have a barrier between the plastic and your eyes. Not only that, guys, you have these kind of patches. This is what I'm a connoisseur of. Okay, now these I have not tried. So, okay, remove a pair of heat cells from the package and insert into eye mask sleeves. Patches will warm up within 30 seconds. So it's kind of like those ones where when you crack them open, I guess when they hit the oxygen, they start to like warm up. Soothes dry, irritated eyes, headache relief. They're unscented. So this is cool. This is like multi-purpose, which is awesome. You know I love duality, right? So I put these in here. I stick them in like this, and I put them against my face. And like, say I'm having a bad day. These are so nice. Now I have used these kind, I think Glam Glow had them or whatever, but these are more bougier, and I'm excited to try these. So they're called the Woke, and there are 3 of them. This is the whole kit. So you get the 3 patches, you get the reusable patches, you get this as well, okay? That is the one set, and it does come in its own little carry case right here, so when you're not using it, you have a place to store it. I'm happy that they gave us this box this month instead of like a regular box, because I don't get this box, you know what I mean? So that's exciting. Thank you, shout out to Ipsy Open Studio for sending me over the box. I am very happy to have it. So this is just some of the things that you could have picked. And again, guys, these products might be in add-ons because, you know, a lot of times we see them come back in add-ons, so that's good. I hope I helped you guys out in some way in like determining whether you would like to use these products. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it ever so much. And until I see you in the next one, please remember, if you are going through something, please don't stuff it, guys. I used to do that, and it caused me so much, not just pain, that too, but a lot of damage. Please, I highly, highly urge you to share. It's been my experience. It just doesn't go away. It just gets worse. And always, if you are asked to listen to someone, if someone says, hey, I want to talk, do you have a minute? Say yes. You could absolutely help them. And in this crazy, mixed up world, to all my loved ones all across the globe, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya. So oops. Do I have to say anything? I guess not, right?